Hello everyone, this is Zai. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to install Debian 12 for the ARO network client. Please make sure to carefully follow each step. For this demonstration, I'll be using a single disk with a 500GB SSD. Feel free to pause the video at any time to follow along or review the details entered. To make your disk an unallocated partition, press Windows key plus R, then type CMD and hit Enter. When the command prompt pops up, type disk part. If it asks for administrator permission, select Yes. In the new terminal, type list disk to see all available disks. Then, select the disk you want to format. For example, in this video, my disk is disk 1, so I type select disk 1. After that, type clean to remove all partitions. Finally, type exit to close disk part. Now your disk is unallocated, and you're ready to boot into the BIOS. Shut down your computer, boot into the BIOS, and set the first boot option to your bootable USB drive that contains the Debian installer. Press F10 to save the settings, and your computer will automatically reboot into the USB drive installer. Feel free to pause the video at any time to follow along or review the details entered. Let's begin the installation. After successfully installing Debian 12, the system will automatically reboot. Now, just log in using the details you created during the installation. And that's it. You've successfully installed Debian 12. In the next video, I'll show you how to set up the ARO client on Debian 12, so make sure to follow along. I'll try to upload that video next week, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about the installation, feel free to ask me on the official ARO network Discord. Just mention Zai, that's me. I'll be more than happy to help. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Peace out, Zai.